What's up, guys? It's your girl Bree Michelle back with another video. This video is a little different. It is a pack with me video. I am going to Miami for a few days, so I wanted to show you guys what I take with me on my trip. So I am gonna go ahead and get started because I leave in less than 12 hours and I have nothing packed at all. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload. Alright, so I am bringing my really big suitcase here. And the smaller one, like the carry-on size, is on the inside. I'm going to see how much I can get in the really big one and then decide if I want to bring this one or not. So this is what the smaller one looks like. We're just going to take that one out. So I am not a last-minute packer, so I've been... And it's been driving me crazy that I have not packed this stuff, but I really wanted to record it for you guys, so that's what I'm going to do now. But I did get my stuff together throughout the week, so I already have my clothes together and like all my toiletries and stuff together. I just really got to put it in my suitcase, so that's what I'll be doing now. So first, I guess I'm going to put my clothes in there. And I'm going to try to lay everything really flat. So I kind of want to keep everything together. So I think I'm going to put all my swimsuit stuff over here. And all of the swimsuits I'm taking, well, majority of them came from Amazon. If you guys have not seen my Amazon favorites video, definitely check it out. Amazon has really nice swimsuits up there. What are you doing over there, sir? The dog's in here. They know I'm packing and about to go somewhere. It's supposed to rain the entire trip, and that sucks, but I still got some cute stuff to wear. Got some sweatpants, but I'm gonna pair the sweatpants with some heels. I'm trying to like lay everything really flat so all of it fits in here. So I'm definitely gonna have to bring my other one. I don't even know why I even second guessed it. I need to bring, okay, y'all, I am terrified that the airline will lose my stuff. So I always have to pack a outfit in my carry-on. I need to pack a swimsuit, but I don't really care too much about the swimsuit. I at least have to have an outfit. So that's not what I have to go together, but just in case it's raining and they lose my stuff, like I have something. But yeah, I have to leave some stuff. I'm gonna leave some underwear in there too. Cause I am terrified, y'all. They be losing people's stuff. Want to take two bras. I'm gonna take a black one and a like brown nude one. Okay, y'all. So let's see if I can fit the beach towels. Or matter of fact, I put I bring my own bath towel and washcloths. Personal preference. That's just what I like to do. So I'm bringing 3 washcloths. Some for my face and for my body. I think I'm going to fit more stuff in here on this side. Bring my beach towels. So I was going to try to pack my shoes in here, but I think, because I have to get some of this this big stuff in here. So I got some Ziploc bags for the big stuff. So I just got from my boyfriend. He already got Clorox wipes. He got a smaller one, so I don't have to bring this really huge one because it was not gonna fit. Okay, but I still got some Lysol. I ran out of travel size one, and I can't find it, so I'm just gonna have to take this really big one. Yeah, y'all, the really big one gonna have to go. So let's see what small stuff we can fit in there then with it. So I'm gonna put I bought some flushable wipes. Got some bug spray. Down under my sink, so I'm gonna take it. Some bathroom spray. Hand sanitizer. Well, one of them anyways. I can put these alcohol wipes in there. Gonna put my body spray in there, my perfume. Let me turn this off because it's a group chat. Yeah, let me turn this off. Sorry, y'all, but that got some body lotion. Gonna put the sunscreen in here. Got some deodorant wipes. I'll put in here. My hairspray. So I don't want to fill this bag up too much. Because I want my shoes to be able to fit in here. So yeah. I'll put this in here for now. Like that. So let's go get my shoes. So I didn't have time to get any white heels. So just brought some clear ones and some black ones. I don't know why these yellow heels was over there because I don't think I have anything to wear with them, but I'll pack them anyways, just in case I saw a vision. I kind of want to put my, wait, because this is it, y'all. Okay, I might just take my Victoria's Secret bag. Oh, no, this not it. I ain't packed sheets or none of that stuff. Gosh, okay. So yeah, I kind of want to put my toiletries bag on my carry-on, but I mean, they're just toiletries. You can go buy stuff like that: toothpaste, deodorant, mouthwash, face wash, toothbrush. You can go buy all that stuff. So I'll put this in here, and then I'll put all the rest of this little stuff that I literally can just. It sucks, but you can go to the store and buy it. Like you can go buy an outfit too, but I don't know. I'm just extra cautious. So I'm putting in here makeup spray, more sunscreen, got some Aquaphor, my soap, travel size lint roller, some hairspray, my makeup wipes, and some tissues. Let's put my hair stuff in here, like my scarf. Probably can fit right there on the side. And I got paper towels, y'all. Don't judge me. I got paper towels. You know what? All this little stuff could have went right here in the front pocket. Put this stuff in a Ziploc bag just in case it sprays. My contact stuff. Never mind, I'll pack that in my carry-on. And I'm gonna take this and use it as a little laundry bag for like my washcloths. My travel like neck pillow came with it. Oh, let's put this in here. I forgot. So my jewelry, I'm just gonna put in this little see-through bag here. So I got some ankle bracelets. See which ones I want to take. That one's cute. That one's cute. I'll take this one. From Amazon, y'all check out my video. Then I got some necklaces as well. So take this one. Then I got some hair jewels. I got these off Amazon too, y'all. I was gonna go to the hair store, but I got a whole bunch for below. So I want to take these. I was gonna put them on my hair before, but I'll just stuff them in here. Okay, I don't think it's gonna all close. So I had to take those towels out, y'all, because it would not fit. But that's okay, because I have a whole carry-on, and I don't think a lot of stuff is gonna fit in there. So y'all, I didn't even think about if my bag is overweight or not. Like, it's heavy. At least it's heavy to me. It's heavy. But I guess we'll see when we get to the airport tomorrow. But moving on to my travel size. Hopefully it's not too heavy. I'm afraid it's not. What's in here? Look, I got stuff in here. Oh, no. Oh. Just a laundry bag for dirty clothes and then some shower shoes. Perfect. Already in there. So put this outfit in there. Got another pair of shoes. Gotta take an umbrella because it's supposed to be freaking raining. Gonna pack some sheets because, listen, me and my boyfriend, we are germaphobes. So we gotta bring our own sheets. Oh, my makeup bag gotta go somewhere. So we moved to my beauty space because I almost forgot my makeup, and that's one thing we will not do is forget our makeup. So gonna go ahead and pack that. So I got 2 eyeshadow palettes. Taking Patrick Stars. Y'all had to follow me in here. The dogs just had to follow me in here. And the camera is so crooked, you guys. I am sorry, but listen, I gotta keep them roll on. So excuse the crookedness, but I'm taking Patrick Starr's One Size eyeshadow palette. It is definitely the everyday palette. I really love it. And then I'm taking the Ace Beauty palette because I want to use this berry shade in here. I'm taking that. My NARS Soft Matte foundation. Check my video out if you have not. I am like going through this stuff, y'all. But all my favorite stuff is like of all time. Either of all time or of right now is going. So that's what I am putting in here. Might need to leave that out. Got some. Let me get another lip pencil. Taking a few lip pencils. I'll leave the gloss out. Lipsticks. So got makeup bags packed, and I normally take my really big, my red one. Like this one is flat right now, but y'all, it is freaking huge. Okay, I normally like take this one when I travel, but this one fits really good. It's packed down though. And then I got this from a BoxyCharm, the Pure Complexion Authority. It was a brush set, but I'm not taking, I just like the container to put my brushes in. I'm taking some of those brushes, but not all of them. So I washed my brushes. Oh, I forgot all about my sponges. My sponges gotta fit in my makeup bag. See, that's why I take my red one, y'all. I need to take all these. Really. And it still fit. Perfect. So, for my face brushes, I need to take my blush brush. I need my powder brush. I'm going to take this 2-in-1 because I can use it for contour and highlight. So, it's just easier for me. That, this. So I have some glasses to take with me on the plane. So I'm just going to put my eyeglasses in this guest case and then put my sunglasses in this Dolce & Gabbana case. Okay, look at me making shit fit and stuff. Okay, so we have that. And then we got one more bag. I know y'all like, oh my God, girl, you're not even going for that long. But it's okay. I got to fit this in here and then just my laptop. So I need a blanket. My own blanket for when we get there. And then just my laptop. And I am done. And some wet ones for the flight. That needs to go in there. Let me go ahead and pack up my laptop now. So I'm just taking my laptop so I can work on some videos while I'm sitting at the airport because we have a delay on the way back. So, gotta take that. So that completes the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed packing with me. Comment down below if I'm forgetting some stuff, but I don't think I am. But until next time, bye.